Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to talk about Rama Screenshot Chrome extension, the best screenshot tool on Chrome Web Store. With the help of this tool, you can take aesthetically pleasing screenshots like this in just a few clicks. So without further delay, let's get started. Go to Chrome Web Store and search Rama Screenshot. You will see this extension icon. Click on Add to Chrome and the extension will be added to your Chrome browser. This is a new extension and I published it recently. So some of you might see a warning message, but you can ignore it. All of your data stays safe locally within your browser. After installing the extension, go to extension icon in your browser and pin Rama Screenshot so you can quickly access it whenever you need it. Now we are all set to take our first screenshot using Rama Screenshot. On any website, click on the extension icon and choose an option from the pop-up menu. You can enable fast mode. Let's go with select area option and make a selection. As soon as you release the cursor, you see a nice gradient background has been added to the screenshot. You have a complete side panel to further customize the screenshot. You can change the gradient type from linear to radial. You can randomly generate as many gradients as you want, or you can choose the colors of your choice. Here you can flip the gradient colors and here you can adjust the gradient angle. If you don't want to customize the gradient yourself, you can quickly choose from the beautiful gradient presets given here. If you want to keep it simple, you can also choose white or transparent. Next we have background slider. Using this, you can increase or decrease the background size. BG radius slider will make the corners rounded. Next you have the shadow slider, which you can use to add subtle shadows around the screenshot. The shadow will make your content pop and eye-catching. The zoom in slider can be used to slightly increase the content size of the screenshot if it is too small to read. Next we have the padding slider. When we take a screenshot, we generally have uneven space around the content. If you turn on the auto option, the screenshot will have perfectly balanced even space around the content. Using the padding slider, you can control the amount of space you want around the content. This makes your screenshot clean and stand out. Next we have the most exclusive feature of a screenshot tool you can't find anywhere else, the mask tool. Mask tool allows you to add a designer aspect to your screenshot, which makes your screenshots unique. Just select a mask and use the curve slider to control the curve. Right now I have added 15 masks for you. In future you might see a complete library of the masks. I will design mask of your choice if you support me in the development journey of this Chrome extension. Next we have the aspect ratio options. You can select the right aspect ratio for all major image sharing platforms. Sometimes we need to hide some sensitive information like email, contact or card details. To do this, we have a blur tool which you can access in one click. Simply make a selection over the sensitive information and it's hidden. No fancy editing tools required. We also have text and shapes tools for the text and annotation purposes. When your screenshot looks stunning and you are happy with it, you can copy it to clipboard download or share it on social media right from the editor. And wait, I'm not finished yet. Here is an additional useful tip. When you download an image, it also gets added to your extension history. You can access it from the extension icon. You will find your last 50 screenshots in the history. If you like my work and want to support me in further development of this extension, please give this video a like, hype, or whatever you think. If you have any feedback, please share it with me. I will try my best to improve it. You can find the extension link in the description. Add it to your browser and have fun. See you in the next video.